Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete an Instagram account. There are various reasons why someone might choose to delete their Instagram account. People have different priorities, concerns, and preferences regarding online presence and social media use. But the important thing is that you should close it properly so no one can misuse it. So let's start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Once you get into your Instagram account, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now, from your profile, tap on the three lines from the top right corner. It will take you to your account settings and privacy. Then, scroll down in settings and tap on Account Center. From the Account Center, you need to go into Personal Details. Now, from your details, tap on Account Ownership and Control. After that, you have to choose the Deactivate or Delete option from Account Ownership and Control. Now, to start the process, you need to select what you would like to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete. Choose your Instagram account, and then select the option of Delete Account. And after selecting the Delete Account option, tap to continue. Now choose the reason why you want to delete your account and click on Continue. In the next step, you have to review the privacy on Instagram, then tap Continue. Right after that, you need to create a password before deleting this account. They are asking you to create a password for your Instagram account now. This ensures that you can log into your account to cancel the deletion process if you choose to. And then tap to continue to complete the process. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.